Hey, so I just wanted to share with you about a really great ebook that I got called Homemade Beauty Recipes for Your Face. And this is what it looks like right here. And if you can't see it super clear, then I'll just put it up on the corner of the screen up here as well. But it's by Skincare Angels, and you can pick up a copy of the ebook at skincareangels.com. This ebook is a home beauty remedy book, and so it's great because it has a whole bunch of different recipes for natural skincare for your face. And I have really sensitive skin, so I have to be really careful what I put on my face. There is literally a recipe for everything, whether you have puffy eyes or blotchy skin or dry skin. There's literally a recipe for everything. And what I love about this book is that you can literally put all of the ingredients together based on things that you probably already have in your kitchen. And if you don't have in your kitchen, you can easily pick them up at any grocery store or any health food store as well. One of my favorite masks that I found in the book was the chocolate mask, of course. It makes your skin so smooth after you use it. It's just awesome. The other thing that I really like is everything is quick and easy to review right here. All the recipes are short and simple. It tells you exactly what they do, and you can just reference it all in this easy book. I'm usually one for finding pins on Pinterest, but I usually can't find the pins that I have after, and that's why I love this book, because you can just find everything all in one spot and it's easy. So yeah, I just wanted to tell as many people as possible about this book because I thought it was amazing. Go to skincareangels.com and pick up your copy of the ebook. I love it. I know you will love it, so I just wanted to share it with you. Enjoy.